this is another background video. Now this one is painted again with this is painted with Teal Tomorrow. Now I got 2 coats on there of Teal Tomorrow. Teal Tomorrow, as you can see, looks a lot darker in the bottle, and it's when it's wet, it goes on, you know, a lot darker. Now, right now, it's on there, and it looks light because it's dry. So I'm going to take Tahiti Teal, which is a lot lighter than Teal Tomorrow. If you look at it in the bottle, you can see it's lighter. So when it's fired, it's going to come out a lot darker. But for now, because I'm showing it to you before it's fired, you know, it's going to look lighter. But now I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to do the same thing as far as I'm going to take the soft fan brush, and I'm going to put this Tahiti Teal on here, kind of thick. You know, not too thick. You want to brush it out a little bit, but like I said, you don't want it to dry. So I'm doing tiles. I'm doing tiles just to show you this. But you can do this on a mug, on a plate, you know, a small salad plate, anything you want. Here's this. Now I got my coat on there. Now before it dries, I'm going to use, this is a part of a green Scotch, you know, scruffy type thing. You see these all the time in the store that you can buy. Okay, so I'm going to use the end of this, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start from the middle, and I'm going to get this scratchy look, okay? Now, I'm going to keep going through it. I'm going to sort of go across, like make a cross. Now, I'm going to wipe it off a little because I got a lot of stuff on there. Okay, now I'm going to do it again. Down this, in the center of that. You can see you're just pulling paint off, but you're just kind of making a design to make it a little bit different than plain. Now you can leave it like this. You can do something else in the center, but I'm going to do another. I'm going to make it go across the whole thing. I'm going to make my whole plate with this design on it. See how it fires out. If you find even when you're wiping off it's getting too wet, then just use the other side. It's just putting scratchy lines on it. But I've did this before and it kind of looked neat when it was fired. So I left no piles of paint really anywhere. I just kind of scratched the whole thing. That's how I scratched it. Now, I've done this with a small black, with black and white also, which I don't know if you can see this, with that same design. So we'll see how they fire out, and I'll show them to you when I fire them. So anyway, this is just another technique of, you know, how you can do a tile or a background. Just if you just want something kind of plain and simple, maybe you could put a saying on it after. And that's it.